If you want to improve your spoken English, talk as much as possible. Okay, you're learning your grammar, your vocabulary, you're watching videos and improving your pronunciation. But unless you put it into practice and talk to someone, you won't know how much you have learned. So, how are
Okay.
you doing?
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. What about you?
Yes, I'm doing absolutely fine. Thank you for asking. So, can you please introduce yourself?
Sure. So, my name is Tanuja and I'm from Bhopal. My qualification I have done engineering from computer science and currently I'm a working professional in IT sector. Yeah, that's all
Okay.
about me. And yeah, I'm also a YouTuber as well.
Okay. What is the name of your channel?
It's Learn with Tannu.
Learn with Tannu. Okay, okay. So,
About
coming to
you?
me, yeah, my name is Shanta. I am a freelance tutor of spoken English. I teach online, and currently I'm running a YouTube channel called Learn English with Shanta. I've just started out.
Mm-hmm.
So, that's about me. I live in Karnataka.
Okay,
Yes.
that's great. So, you are a tutor as well. In which platform?
I teach online. I'm not very sure whether I can name the platform, but I teach online.
Okay, okay. That's great.
Yes, I'm a software engineer as well. Like
Oh,
you,
that's
I've done engineering in computers.
okay, that's great. So, are you doing any work or just for spoken Twitter?
No, currently I'm just working as a tutor of spoken English. I worked in the IT sector some years back.
Okay. So, is there any reason that you left this job?
Yes, I got married and moved somewhere else. So I
Oh,
couldn't continue working there.
okay.
After getting married, having children, it's hard to get back to the IT industry. So I'm trying a different field now. So let's see.
Okay. So, what's your future plan after that?
I'm going to continue doing this. I'm going to run my YouTube channel. I'm going to continue being a tutor of spoken English and helping others.
Yeah, that is also okay. So, you love teaching?
Not exactly. Maybe I just want to share whatever I know.
Yes, yes.
Mm,
Yeah,
Not
same with
exactly
me.
classroom environment. I don't want to do that. So online is best for me because I am a full-time homemaker.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Yes,
that
go
is
ahead.
good. Yeah, that is good actually. In online we can manage our time according to us.
Yeah,
Whenever you are having time, so you can take the session or you can teach others.
exactly.
And
Yes, it gives
you
you the.
are a homemaker, so you have more responsibilities. So yeah, it is good for you.
So are you currently working in the IT sector?
Yes.
So do you have your day off today?
No, it's my working day. I'm working from home, so today I don't have much work, so that's why.
So, is that the main intention why you want to improve your English for your work purpose?
Yes, yes, definitely for my work purpose because you already know in IT sector we have to speak English only, and because
Mm.
our colleagues and manager are from different country, different city, so we have to interact with them. And in the meeting, every time you have to speak only English. So sometimes I get stuck, or they are speaking very well English, so I just feel like that. No, I'm not that kind of person, so I can speak very fluently, or I'm having a problem with my vocabulary. Sometimes I don't get words. So that was my plan that I should improve my English so that I can be able to put my views in my meeting. Yeah.
Mm, exactly. Yes. And what are the steps that you're taking in order to improve your English?
So currently I'm just focusing on speaking part, and apart from that I'm just doing the listening part. And yeah, some people has told me to read books, so now just I started reading books as well.
Mm. Yes. To improve your vocabulary, that's the best thing you can do, reading and
Mm-hmm.
writing
Yes.
down. Mm.
Do
Right.
you have any suggestion for improving English?
Yeah. What exactly? Spoken, reading, writing, which part of it?
Spoken only.
Spoken, the only thing you can do is you can speak. If you want to improve your spoken English, talk as much as possible. Okay, you're learning your grammar, your vocabulary, you're watching videos and improving your pronunciation. But unless you put it into practice and talk to someone, you won't know how much you have learned. So practice is the main thing that you got to do. So
Yeah,
only then
right.
you will be able to improve.
Yes, yes.
So are you talking to a lot of people?
Yes, these days I'm just connecting with different people and talking with them.
So do you see an improvement in your spoken English?
Yeah, I had started 6 months ago, and that time I was very nervous while speaking. But now I can see that I'm not feeling uncomfortable while speaking to different people. Yeah, I'm able to speak at least simple English, I can say.
No, English is quite good. And when you start talking to people, you remove the hesitation of speaking. Right? You get the confidence to face people and talk to them. So,
Yes.
are you doing work from home ever since the start of your career?
No, I was going to office, and I think 4 month I went to office, and after that COVID came, so that time
Mm.
I got this opportunity to work from home, and now it is continuously going on.
So, are you enjoying working from home or do you prefer going to the office?
I used to think like that I should go to office because I was very underconfident person, and I was not feeling comfortable while speaking to different people. So that time I used to think, yes, I should go office because there is a environment, like you can speak with different people and you can do the face to face interaction. But in
Mm.
work from home, just you are talking with people when it is required, like if work related stuff, then only we are connecting with each other. Otherwise we are not doing any kind of casual talk sometime. So I
Mm.
used to feel like that, but now I'm in habitual of working from home, so I don't think so that I should go or not.
Right. Both the things have their pros and cons. So if you're comfortable working from home, good for you. But there are other people who would like to meet people and talk to people. So maybe they prefer going to the office.
Yes, exactly. So
Mm.
now I am working on my this part, like I have to become confident or this thing. So I'm just interacting with different people apart from my work. Like
Mm.
working on YouTube, so I'm just grabbing this opportunity here. So I
Mm.
don't think like that. Yeah, I should go office. But yeah, in initial days, I used to think like that. Yes, I should go. Then only I can improve, and then only I can build my confidence.
Mm. No, you face the exact same challenges when you're talking online also to somebody, right? Rather than physical also, when you talk to somebody online, you feel the same kind of hesitation and underconfidence. So it might be a little different when you meet people physically. Yeah.
Yes, yes. And I
Mm.
think I still face this problem because now in front of camera it is okay that we are not just bothering sometimes, but when you are talking with face to face, so that time we feel hesitation.
Yes, yes,
It's
yes.
not only about English part. Wherever we meet different people, it's about our mother tongue as well. We feel hesitate in the beginning, and after
Mm.
some conversation, then only we feel comfortable.
Yes, yes, exactly. I think that it's a kind of social anxiety you feel when you meet new people or talk to them.
Yeah,
It's kind of,
right.
yeah, yeah. How do you cope up with that? Do you have any tips? Social
Uh,
anxiety, meeting someone for the first time. What happens?
yeah, I feel very hesitant. I can say that, but I try to do that because I used to be very shy in my initial days. Now I have reduced it, not fully, but I can say that I have reduced it in some ways. Like that time I was not able to speak a single sentence or two sentence itself. People used to say me like, yeah, you should talk, you should be talkative, then only you can survive.
Are you an
And
introvert?
yes, that is the thing that people told me that yeah, you should change your habit, you should be talkative, then only you can survive, especially in IT sector. If you won't talk, that you cannot do anything.
Mhm. Right.
So
I'm
I'm
an
just
introvert as
working
well.
on that. Hmm.
I'm an introvert myself. So I can totally relate. I prefer not to talk to people, prefer don't go, not to go outside. So that's what even I keep, people keep telling me also.
Hmm.
"Eh, how is your future going to be? You need to meet new people, talk to people, then you're able to survive properly in this world. Otherwise, like it is very competitive outside, right? So
Yes.
unless you are talkative and you put out your point, so everybody's going to go ahead and leave you behind.
Yes, exactly. And you because of this we face lot of difficulties in some places. Like we have to talk, like yes, we have to talk with some person for anything, but we are not able to say because of
Hmm.
our hesitation or because of this introvert kind of thoughts.
Nature. Yes,
Yes.
yes. It is exactly your nature, right? You are born like this and you are like this. So it is very
Mhm.
difficult to change that because you can change your habits, but this is your nature. It's very difficult to cope with that. So how
Yes.
about your interview? You got this job, right? So how was your experience of your interview?
Okay, in the beginning when I appeared first time in my interview, so that time I was very nervous. Even my heartbeat was very high, and I was not able to speak. But somehow I managed for some time. But you won't believe I had rejected in so many interviews. So I was very demotivated that time, but I didn't focus on speaking part because in my college days I just focused on like study material and this thing, technical part, but I didn't focus on communication part. And I had done my schooling everything in Hindi medium, so that time I faced lot of difficulties because of communication. Even in my most of the interviews, I got this feedback that yeah, you should focus on your communication. Your everything is good. This kind of feedback I got. So, but after giving so many interviews, we got the ideas like what are the questions they are asking. I just
Mm.
prepared according to the question only because that time we had lot of things to learn. We can't focus only on speaking part. So yeah, but fortunately I got placed. But in workplace also I have faced lot of difficulties because my all the colleagues are speaking very well in front of manager, but I was like quiet and I was not able to say anything. So I can understand how difficulties I faced that time. But yeah, now I'm just improving and trying to get rid from this problem.
Very nice. So what are your future plans?
Yeah, future plan is like I have to become successful in this field only. But in IT sector there are a lot of scope, and if you want to achieve on a particular designation on a very good position, then you have to work hard. So firstly, I am just focusing on. Recently, I am focusing on communication. Then, if my communication will be good, so I would be confident. I would be able to put my views, and I can learn new things as well. Yes, so
Mm.
that is my plan.
So are you in the same company or have you shifted companies like in your career? Is this your first company?
No, it's my second company. I switched 1 year ago, I
Okay, so you're growing, right?
think. Yes, yes.
There are so many opportunities. You can shift every 1 or 2 years. You can shift to a better position and better pay. So it is.
But for that, we have to become like that. Like, yes, you have the skills, you have good communication, so you can switch easily. But if you don't have this skill, so you can't do it. Because it's not only about communication. I was facing problem with my confidence. I was not getting confidence, and yeah, a lot of things. Like I was very shy, so I was not able to put my views. Even in my meeting, also in my current company, sometimes I have the answer. Like yes, I can say, but because of hesitation and lack of confidence, I am not able to speak. I feel
Mm,
like that, oh, maybe I would say anything wrong or something. So I
mm,
just keep myself away from that. No, I
mm.
won't say. Other people can give the answer. I feel like that.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
because
exactly.
of that, it push you back. Like you are not getting the opportunity to grow. So yeah,
I agree and I can totally relate to you. I'll get flashback memories from my past when I was exactly like what you are telling me now. But I think
okay.
see, confidence is the most important one rather than your communication because there are so many people at such top levels who are not very good in their English or communication skills, but they have a lot of confidence. So they have
Yeah,
reached
exactly.
very nice positions in their life. I have my own friends who couldn't speak like English, not fluently at all, but they're doing very well in their lives now. And with the same broken English.
Yes, sometimes it happens. For example, you have assigned some work and you are doing work on that. But what's my habit? I just say, yes, I have done this work or not, something kind of thing. But I have seen some of my colleagues who are explaining in a very vast manner, like, yes, I have done this thing, I have done this thing. It's no matter that it's a small task, but they are exaggerating the things, like, yes, I have done this thing. So manager are like happy, they are doing very great job. And
Mm.
I feel like that, oh, why I'm not able to do this thing.
That is called manipulative behavior, right?
Yes, but they are good at their position, like, yes, because in IT, if you want, so, like, yes, you are doing something, so how people will think about you, yes, you are a great performer or not, or doing some great work or not, because in it's not in my nature that I have to show a lot. So
Mm.
that thing I have to improve, I think.
Mm. You have to exhibit your talent.
Yes.
Yes, you have to learn to show off in order to move forward.
Yes, both the things are necessary, I think.
Mhm. Right.
Because
Yes.
if you want, so how people will judge you, like, yes, you have talent, but you are not showing to others, so what is the point of that talent?
You have it within yourself. So how will they come to know? How will they discover? Because nobody's coming after us like our parents, and they are not going to show special interest in us and discover what we are good at. We need to
Yes.
work for ourselves.
Yes, right.
Do you have any other hobbies apart from learning English and working?
Yes, I love to do drawing and dancing. So dancing, I just do it for fun because I don't get much time. And yeah, drawing whenever I get time on my weekends, so I just draw anything, whatever comes in my mind.
So are you good at it? Are you a good artist?
No, no, no. That I'm just what can I say? More than beginner, I can say.
Okay, okay. Are you learning that or you're just doing it to pass your time?
I'm just doing it for fun only.
Yes. Anyways, you're busy, you're working from home, you're talking to a lot of people, you're running a YouTube channel. So how do you maintain all of this? Does it get overwhelming at sometimes?
No, somehow I'm able to manage because work from home we are doing, and I have to give 8 or 9 hours to my work. But after that, I'm free, and because I'm at my home, so I can do anything because I don't have like household chores to do because my mom is doing already, so I don't have that kind of other things to do. So I am able to manage.
You don't have anything like a family responsibility that you have to take care of somebody. So somebody else is taking care of you.
Yes.
So enjoy this period of your life when
Yes,
you get
I'm enjoying, and sometimes I feel like that what would happen after marriage.
difficult.
Yeah,
New
it would be difficult because after job I'm getting time, so I'm utilizing here, but after marriage I have to do some household chores as well after my work, so it would be difficult to manage these 3 or 4 things simultaneously.
you'll find it challenging at first. So yeah, you have to figure out what works best for you.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yeah. Lovely
Okay, bye
talking to
bye.
you. Bye bye. Have
Yeah,
a good day.
same here. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.